Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing the first of 3 videos to help you with exercise 2E from your AAME grade 2 syllabus. This involves hook stroke because the first line of the exercise is hook stroke. So what we'll do first is some exercises on the open D string to get you into the hook stroke mode, and then we'll add that hook stroke into the exercise. So the first thing you want to do is look where the upper and lower parts of your bow are. Now, usually I put a sticker on my bow, but I've taken that off and you'll just have to imagine where the halfway is. So the exercise says to do in the upper half, but I suggest starting in the upper third or even quarter, because then if you go a little too far, you're going to still be in the upper half. Whereas if you start in the upper half and you go down too low, then you're going to end up in the lower half, which would be wrong. So let's just do some hook stroke on the open D string. And the idea is that we're going to divide the part of the bow we're using into 4. And we're going to use 3 parts, so 3/4 of that for the long note and 1/4 of it for the shorter bit. So let's give it a go. And we want the connection to be between the short note to the long note. So what I mean by that is we've got a long note and then we've got short long, short long. So it goes like that. Once you get good at that, you can add in the notes from the exercise. You want to make sure that you're really loose in your bowing hand and arm, or what's going to happen is your stops are going to be rough. And that, of course, is not what we want. So it's really light. Despite the stoppiness of it, we still want your hand to be quite light. Here is the actual line 1 of exercise 2E. On the last note, I go all the way to the bottom because that gets me ready to do line 2, and we'll be doing that tomorrow. I'll see you then.